It's time to shrink fibroids and avoid surgery with the latest breakthrough in fibroids care. This is our powerful fibroids tea, and this is how you prepare it for best results. So you're going to need some fibroids tea. You're also going to need some Lakadong tea. You'll need a lemon or lime. You'll need 2 thumb sizes of ginger, and you also need 6 cloves of raw garlic. And finally, you're going to need a half a liter of water. So now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's make our powerful fibroids tea. First step, place a clean sufuria and add a half a liter of water. Keep in mind, we're using clean filtered water to avoid toxicity and ensure it does not interfere with your results. Then you're going to need some fibroids tea. Add 1.5 teaspoons of fibroids tea to the sufuria. Then add crushed ginger to the sufuria. Then add crushed garlic to the sufuria. And add a teaspoon of Lakadong turmeric to ensure that you get rid of womb inflammation and pain. And now it's time for lemon. Now add the lemon slices to the sufuria. You can skip this and add the slices to your cup of tea once it's done. After 15 minutes, your tea is ready. Cover and let it steep for 3 more minutes and serve. For fast and effective results, take this tea first thing in the morning after your liver detox elixir. This powerful fibroids tea is carefully formulated to deliver results faster than ever before. Unlike any other tea, it works faster to shrink fibroids, get rid of painful periods, get rid of heavy clots in your period, bloating, feeling full, a swollen tummy, but most importantly, it balances your hormones to ensure that the fibroids do not grow back. This tea doesn't just target fibroids, it also nurtures and restores your womb, ensuring that your reproductive health is supported long term. If the thought of a fibroid surgery leaves you concerned about your future womb health, you can finally rest easy. Shrink fibroids the safe and natural way as you prepare for a healthy future, whether or not you're planning to conceive. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to know every time we post a new video. Congratulations on starting your fibroid shrinking journey. We wish you healing.